Today we are here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT tell us if we are in a bull market or bear market with Bitcoin? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency at the beginning of the month. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. Obviously, the format of this video is going to be a little bit different since everyone on social media right now has an opinion yelling if we're in a bull market, bear market, somewhere in between. So I decided to go to neutral territory and ask ChatGPT what it thinks. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, it's time for another prediction game. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at around $91,400. Take a look at current events in the crypto market and recent price action over the past year. Tell me where you think we are in the Bitcoin cycle right now. Are we in a bull market or bear market? Tell me where you think Bitcoin will be 12 months from today. No need to explain your whole breakdown, just give us the answer. And we officially have the answer from ChatGPT. Not gonna lie, a little on the surprise side because ChatGPT was a little bit more bearish when it came to Cardano and XRP. But in this go around, here is ChatGPT's direct take. All right, where are we now in the cycle? I believe we're in a bull market, though likely in mid to late stage before the peak phase. Where will Bitcoin be 12 months from today? My estimated guess is $175,000. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you think this is a realistic price for Bitcoin a year from now? Or do you think we are more in the bear phase of crypto where we might see Bitcoin hit a 50-60% drop from its all-time high? Let me know in the comments section below. I'm really intrigued to see what you guys think. Also, let me know what other cryptos would you like to see ChatGPT guess the price of. In the past, we've tried doing it with other cryptocurrencies, and to be honest with you, they haven't done that well. Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin. But if you're interested in seeing one of those coins make a return, let me know in the comment section below. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.